solid 3-pound bass out of the ditch in the woods. Here we are in the middle of the woods. Hey everyone, Anthony here, and on today's episode of Coastline Adventures, we're gonna do some bicycle fishing through the woods. Today, I'm gonna be targeting puddles and ditches that are full of water, pipes that have current flowing out of them, and also hidden secret spillways in the middle of the woods. Y'all follow along and stay tuned. It's gonna be a great day bicycle fishing. Guys, there's a huge alligator in my ditch. Alright, you guys can't see him, but there's a huge alligator sitting right in the middle of that ditch. I'm gonna throw some baits out, but with my experience, if there's an alligator here, you don't really catch too much fish. But let's give it a try. Huge bass right out of the ditch. Guys, just got a solid 3-pound bass out of the ditch in the woods. Bicycle fishing's so much fun. See if we can't catch some more. Alright guys, that's how you do it. Bicycle fishing ditches. Alright, so this ditch was pretty productive. I caught a nice bass and a little Mayan cichlid. I'm gonna hop back on the bike though and head about a mile to a secret spillway hidden in the woods. Y'all follow along. Some good love's what I'm needing. My girl by my side in the evening. A place I can hide and feel free in. The sun and the sea keep me breathing. Oh, it's always guys, I'm going in there. Sweet reggae music, my therapy. The pen and the paper take care of me and help me become. Alright guys, here we are in the middle of the woods. Yeah, let's fish. Celebrate and live your life. And if you're fed up, just step back and wind down. Cool you down, cool you down. I got something, guys. Listen close, the universe is calling. Make the most, experience evolving. Don't lose hope. Second bass of the day, bicycle fishing. There it is, guys, my second fish of the day. Bicycle fishing through the woods. My first fish, I caught out a ditch. Second fish right here, caught out a hidden spillway in the woods. So I'm gonna take the bicycle, go further back in the woods and see what else I can catch. Maybe we should just be living life slow, 'cause it goes by so fast. And it might get so bad, but that don't mean that it's hopeless. So there's my third bass of the day, bicycle fishing through the woods. I got a couple more baits. I'm gonna keep fishing a little bit longer. I'm gonna throw him back and continue bicycle fishing. So blessed. And no matter where I'm at, I love my life. So blessed, so blessed. I just caught this little bass on the reel then. Oh my god, look how I got hooked. He gave himself a nose piercing. Alright, there's the fourth bass of the day. Let's keep on bicycle fishing. And it ain't that important. Maybe we should just be living well, I just caught a spunky gar. So far bicycle fishing, I have over 3 miles so far. I've caught 4 bass, a Mayan cichlid, and a feisty spotted gar. I think that's what they're called. I got a couple more baits, a couple more little spots that I can hit back in the woods. Y'all stay tuned. Alright everyone, so I've been bicycle fishing a lot. I just want to share some tips with y'all to help anybody who would like to go out bicycle fishing go out and do it. So all you have to do is just any regular old bike. I always get the Pawn Shop special bike. And then all you do is just add a milk crate to the back or the front, whichever is easier, and just put 2 rod holders on your milk crate. I mean, a little basket, anything. I mean, you really have to have is your bicycle, a backpack with your tackle and some water, and your fishing pole in your hand. That's as simple as it can get, and you can just take your bike, your fishing pole, go riding through the woods like this, and have a fun day catching fish in the woods. That's today's tip of the day. That's gonna be my last fish for the day. I'm gonna hop on the bicycle, get back to my truck, and go enjoy the rest of my day.
Maybe we should just be living life slow, cause it goes by so fast. So blessed, so blessed.
Alright, that's gonna do it for today's episode of Coastline Adventures, y'all. I hope everyone who saw today's edition of bicycle fishing really enjoyed it. I know I always have fun taking my bike and exploring new places through the woods, and the best part, there's always fish to be caught. Alright, as always guys, thanks for watching. Coastline Adventures out. Bye!